Namaskaram. Aashwasan is turning 18th year. It is a great celebration for them. I always wonder why they are there for the last 18 years. I understand benevolence, sympathy, grace, empathy, humanity, kindness, mercy, tenderness, gentleness, warmth, love, affection, passion are there. Strong examples to understand what exactly from the point of humanity. The journey is not very easy. The team has to struggle for the last 18 years to discover what is the real truth in it, with lot of commitment from Rashmi and her dear daughter Raina, and the brilliant team made it much beautiful in this year or the last 18 years. It is their knowledge of what the sympathy is like. Our senses can understand it. Someone's pains are meaningful for them. Your eyes sees them with a lot of love. Your ears understand with a lot of mercy. And your mind also understand it with a lot of tenderness. Your heart also look for the love from the other people's concerns. And therefore the motivation is to have kindness before a sympathy. Therefore, Aashwasan can touch your heart and connect a beautiful mind to others. That is, to me, Aashwasan. Congratulations, Rashmi, Raina, and the very lovely team on this occasion, on the 18th anniversary. Beauty has many forms, so is Aashwasan. I understand. Heartbeats of them are the rhythm of purity from God.